Hello everyone, it's James McDonald here. I just want to show you the weather in Glasgow right now. I've got the light on, as you can see there. It's currently 5:10 at night and outside it's torrential. I'll bring this laptop over here. It's absolutely belting it down. It's the worst rain I've probably ever saw in my life. Hold on to open these. I just want to show you my garden and how it's flooded. I do not do watch because I put my laptop out this window and I'm fucked. But look at this. Look at that. The fucking garden is in water, man. Hold on to her. Take you downstairs and I'll open the door to show you better. So, yep, the worst rain ever in Glasgow. Right, I'll just open this door to show you this flooding. Check that. Look at this weather. And that goes out there. The worst fucking weather ever. The fish can find a flood, and that's no joke. So, if I don't blog in like 2 hours or something, then you know I'm dead. So, yeah, that's torrential rain in Glasgow. That's all for now. I'll have more exciting updates as this soon.